Well, another rip-roaring session for the equity markets. This time around, we are at life highs of 12,860 this Tuesday morning after a truncated week. And this follows the stellar Muhurat trading session as well, which took the markets to levels of about 12,820 or 30 thereabouts. In fact, this has largely been driven by the kind of global rally that we witnessed overseas, and on the back of Moderna saying that the preliminary phase trial 3 trial data shows that the coronavirus vaccine is more than 94% effective in preventing COVID-19. So clearly those vaccine hopes have fueled the rally on Dalal Street this Tuesday morning. The Sensex off to a healthy start, up nearly 250 points at 43,890. The broader markets following suit, but a little bit tentative as they find their feet in today's trading session. You've got sectors like metals, PSU banks, energy, the Nifty Bank, infrastructure, all contributing on the upside, while on the flip side, IT a bit muted, pharmaceuticals as well as real estate are under a bit of pressure. To the Nifty gainers then, and Tata Steel standing tall on the back of earnings. You've got Tata Motors in top gear at 153 or thereabouts. Airtel, Hindalco, Shree Cements, Reliance Industries, another newsmaker, active in trade, up by about 1.3% at 2029. Maruti, Grasim, Adani Ports and GAIL India have been some of the other contributors, while BPCL struggles in trade, down nearly 4%. Hero Moto, Dr. Reddy's, Eicher, ITC, IOC, Infosys, all of those stocks are a bit weak. Let's take it straight then to the newsmakers. You've got Tata Steel in focus on the back of its earnings. Very strong set of numbers with the profits attributable to shareholders coming in at 1546 crore rupees. Margins growing to 16.7%. Not just that, Tata Metallics and Tata Steel Long Products will be merging and they'll be amalgamated. Tata Metallics to Tata Sponge. They also said that their deleveraging is on track with $1 billion of net debt reduction in the first half. You've also got brokerages giving it a thumbs up. BPCL as well as a newsmaker with respect to the expressions of interest that have been received for the privatization of the company. Reliance Industries is in focus as Reliance Retail Ventures has acquired 96% stake of Urban Ladder for 182 crores. Everready reacting to its numbers, a solid set at that. Repco Home Finance reacting to its quarterly earnings. You got the profits coming in at about 80 crore rupees versus 100 crores. MMTC, a result reaction. Prabhat Dairy, Sadbhav Engineering, Ahluwalia Contracts, all of those stocks are reacting to their numbers. And within the broader universe, while it is cooling its heels, you do have a number of names that are rather active. Astral Poly, Gayatri Projects, Adani Green, Vodafone Idea, as well as Trent.